This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make baba ganoush without tahini. Start by selecting a large, firm eggplant, about 1 pound. Pierce it several times with a fork, then roast it whole over an open flame, on a grill, or in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 45 minutes. The goal is a deeply smoky flavor and a very soft interior. Once cooked, let it cool for about 15 minutes, then carefully peel away the charred skin, keeping all the tender flesh. Since we are skipping tahini, we need a good substitute for that nutty, creamy texture. You can use 1 to 2 tablespoons of a mild nut butter, like cashew or almond, or even a small amount of mayonnaise for richness. Another option is to finely grind 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds with 1 tablespoon of olive oil to create a quick, homemade paste that mimics tahini's flavor profile. Now combine the roasted eggplant flesh with 2 cloves of minced garlic, the juice of 1/2 lemon, and 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add your chosen tahini alternative. Blend everything together in a food processor or mash by hand. For a smoother dip, process longer. For more rustic texture, blend briefly, leaving some small chunks of eggplant. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. To serve, spoon your homemade baba ganoush into a shallow bowl. Create a small well in the center and drizzle generously with 1 to 2 tablespoons of good quality extra virgin olive oil. Sprinkle with a pinch of smoked paprika and some freshly chopped parsley for color and freshness. This delicious, creamy dip is perfect with warm pita bread, crisp vegetable sticks, or as a spread in sandwiches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.